Hi children. So we have learnt so many types of dresses and their fabrics yesterday, isn't it? Yes. And also we have seen the types of fibers and what are the types of cloths available in the cloth shop, and to see that yarns are arranged together we have done one activity, and we have found the continuous arrangement of yarns, and today we are going to learn a third activity, that is take out a yarn from a piece of cotton fabric. Place this piece of yarn on the table and press one end of the yarn with your thumb. Scratch the other end of the yarn along its length with your nail. Do you find that at its end the yarn splits up into thin strands? Yes. So as I given இந்த நம்ம ஒரு பிக்சர் கொடுத்துருக்கோம் பார்த்தீங்களா, இந்த பிக்சரில் இருக்க மாதிரி ஒரு யானை எடுத்து நம்ம நெயிலில் அதை வந்து ஸ்க்ராட்ச் பண்ணி பாருங்கள். ஓகே, ஸோ மேபி இட் இஸ் இஃப் த த்ரெட் இஸ் ஸோ சாஃப்ட் இட் வில் பி ஸ்ப்ளிட். ஓகே, இப்போ அருந்து போய் அதில் வந்து அந்த சிங்கிள் யான்லேயே ஒரு 3 or more yarns வந்து தெரியும் இல்லையா? எஸ். A thread is broken into thin strands called fiber. அந்த ஒரு yarnல 3-4 பிரிஞ்சு இருக்கு இல்லையா, that is what fiber. Okay, fabrics are made up of yarn, yarns are made up of fiber. Can you understand children? Yarns are made up of fiber and fabrics are made up of continuous arrangement of yarns. Clear? Yes. So there are natural fibers are cotton, jute, silk, wool. Cotton and jute are coming from plants and silk and wool are coming from animals. Okay, so the last 100 years clothes were made of chemical fibers. In the last 100 years the people have started to make cloths using chemical fibers, but in those days in ancient people they have used only natural fabrics. Okay, so here one question is, Bojo has one question. Bojo has seen in the museums items like one shown here. See, can you identify what it is children? Yes, these are won by warriors. Who is warriors? Yes, who they will fight in wars. Yeah, he wants to know if these are made of same kind of fiber, some kind of fiber. Yes, so it is a warrior dress. You have to tell me how does warrior dresses are made and what fiber it is used. Okay, the first natural fiber we have going to see is cotton. Okay, do you know cotton? Yes. See, for this you need to do some to understand about cotton. You have to take some cotton where and all you can cotton you can see. Yes, in hospitals, inside the pillows, inside the mattresses. Yes, you can see the cotton. Yes or no? So roll the cotton with the help of your both hands. See, take some cotton and keep in the palm and roll it. You will make a wick. விக்னா என்னது? திரி. விளக்கு போடுறதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம் இல்லையா திரி, அது எப்படி செய்வோம்? Some people they are buying wicks from the shops, but our grandma and all they can prepare the wicks using cotton in home itself. Okay, so what are the uses of cotton? Yes, pillows, they are filled into the pillows, mattresses, and to make a wicks for oil lamps. Okay, yes. See, where does this cotton comes from? Okay, it grown in the fields. Cotton plants are usually grown at places having black soil and warm climate. See, wherever the soil is black soil, cotton can be grown. Okay. And can you name some states of our country where cotton is grown? Yes. So the cotton is obtained from the fruits of the cotton plant. See, அந்த cotton plantல ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஒரு காய் மாதிரி வரும். அந்த காய் வந்து ஃப்ரூட் மாதிரி ஆகி நல்லா காஞ்சு வெடிச்சு தான் அந்த பஞ்சு வந்து வெளியே வரும். ஓகேவா? ஆஃப்டர் மெச்சூரிங் the balls burst open and the seeds covered with cotton fibers can be seen. So, see, in hospitals we can see a clean cotton. Yes, we don't, there will be no dust or seeds in the cotton because it was purified, okay, filtrated, cleaned. But while bursting, the cotton with seeds can be seen. Okay, have you ever seen a cotton field that is all ready for picking? Have you ever seen? See, you can see the picture here. See, now the cotton field is ready for picking. Picking means what? What do you mean by picking? Yeah, அந்த வெடிச்சிருக்கிற அந்த ஃப்ரூட்ஸ்லேருந்து வெடிச்சிருக்கும் இல்லையா, அந்த பஞ்சு பிளான்ட் வந்து இட் இஸ் ரெடி டு பிக். அதாவது பறிக்கிறதுக்கு ரெடியாக இருக்கிற டைமில் நம்ம அந்த பார்த்தோன்னா இந்த மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். யூ கேன் see the first picture here. Okay, it looks like a field covered with snow. அது பார்த்தா ஒரு பச்சை தோட்டம், ஒரு செடிகள் இருக்கிற தோட்டம் மாதிரி தெரியாது, ஒரு ஸ்னோ. It covered with a snow. It looks like a field covered with a snow. From these balls, cotton is usually picked by hand. So, and the balls, cotton with balls are picked from the hand, and fibers are then separated from the seeds by combing. This process is called ginning of seeds. Okay, separating the cotton from the seed balls. And the seed balls la irundhu cotton mattum thaniya edukkiradhu vandu ginning. Okay, and also and the fibers are then separated from the seeds by combing. Okay, see, you can see the picture here. One man is like comb. Some persons are combing the cotton to remove the seeds. Okay, clear? நம்ம எப்படி தலை சீவும் போது ஏதாவது நம்ம டஸ்ட் பார்ட்டிகல்ஸ் இருந்தால் அந்த சீப் பல்லில் வந்துடும் இல்லையா, லைக்வைஸ் they are using comb to separate the seeds from cotton. So this process is called ginning. Separation of seeds from the cotton balls is called ginning. So ginning was traditionally done by hand. See, here man is doing with hand. Yes, nowadays machines also used for ginning. Can you understand the topic, children? Yes.